Sometimes the solution to your skincare issues is in your fridge and in your cupboard. It's not every time you buy expensive skincare products and use. Sometimes try using those homemade products that you have at home. I'm talking about using Vaseline and lemon. These two combination is capable of transforming your skin. It will move your skin from 0 to 100 real quick. These two combination is so good. Vaseline is a super moisturizer, while lemon contains citric acid, which is a derivative of vitamin C that is so big in brightening. When you combine these two products together, it is capable of solving a lot of skincare issues that you have, those skincare issues that have been giving you problems, sleepless nights, that you have spent so much money on. These two combination is capable of solving 90% of those problems. Come with me, let me show you how to use lemon and Vaseline to solve a lot of skincare problems. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. So you might have heard that Vaseline and lemon is a very good combination that can solve a lot of skincare problem, but you do not know how to use it. Just sit back and relax. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to combine these two products to solve a lot of skincare problem. But before I go into showing you how to combine these two powerful products, I'm going to tell you the reason why you should be using it. I don't just want to tell you use lemon and Vaseline, but I want to give you concrete reason why you should use it. I want to tell you the importance, what it does to your skin. Okay, the first thing that these two products does is that it lightens your skin, especially for those of us that have discoloration on our body. These two combination is capable of lightening your skin. It will fade those discoloration and give you an even glowing skin. The second reason why you should use these two combination is because it will reverse aging. Vaseline is a moisturizer that helps to fight fine lines and wrinkles. Then this lemon also contains vitamin C that helps to build collagen in your body. So these two combination will help to reverse aging. It will help to fade fine lines and wrinkles on your body. Just give you a healthy, glowing and a supple skin. The third reason why you need to use these two combination is that it will moisturize your skin, especially for those of us that have dry and flaky skin. I know that it's really difficult for those people that have dry skin to have like a lotion that moisturizes them. I would advise that you go for these two combination. Combine these two products, use it. It will help to moisturize your body. It will help to give you that super hydration that your skin needs to help it have that oily feel, look healthy and not look dry and flaky. So if you have dry skin, I would highly recommend that you use this combination. Another reason why you should use this is because it curbs the production of sebum that leads to the development of pimples and acne. This will control the production of the sebaceous gland on your body that leads to production of acne and pimples. It will control it. So if you have acne prone skin, if you have acne scars on your body, these two combination is something that I will highly recommend both on your face and on your body. You can use it to stop the production of pimples and acne on your body. It is very important because these two products are very good to control excess oil production on your skin that lead to clogged pores, which result into pimples and acne. So guys, if you're someone that have acne prone skin, try this product. It is very effective. You will like it. Another very important reason why you should use this is because it will fight sunburn. This lemon contains antioxidants that help to fight environmental pollutants that leads to sunburn and those redness on your skin. So if you have sunburn, if you have redness on your skin, combine this product, rub it on the affected area, and with time it will heal your sunburn. So it is very important. If you have sunburn, if you have rashes on your body, go for these two combination. It is very good. Another thing with this product is that it heals scars. If you have scars and burns on your body, combine these two products and then you will like it. It will heal your scars. It will just give you like a healthy, smooth skin. These two products generally are very healthy products that are meant for all skin type, especially if you have dry skin. These two products are very important. Though any other skin type can use it, but dry skin will will really benefit from this. Just use these two products. They are very healthy to the skin. They will just repair your skin. Whatever skin issue you're having, even if you're having eczema and hyperpigmentation, just use these two products and you will see the result in a few weeks. These two products, when combined together, are very, very, very effective. Vaseline is rich in vitamin A and B. It contains moisturizing and hydrating properties that will help to heal your skin and give it a healthy, radiant skin, while lemon contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps to fight free radicals and just give you a healthy, smooth skin. So if you have scars, if you have sunburn, if you have eczema, pimples, and rashes on your skin, combine these two products and you will be amazed at how these two combination will really help to heal your skin. This two combo is also recommended for after hair removal. It helps to soothe your skin. It helps the skin to heal very fast. If you're shaving your body, if you're shaving your hair, after shaving your hair, you just use it and rub on your skin. It will just soothe your skin and give you a relaxing feel. Alright guys, so how do we use this product? What you need is a teaspoon of Vaseline and one slice of lemon. So I'm going to cut my lemon. I'm going to cut this lemon into two now. I have cut my lemon into two, and then you also need a teaspoon of Vaseline. This is my Vaseline. You can use any petroleum jelly, but I prefer to use Vaseline because in my opinion Vaseline is very, very effective. So you will need a teaspoon of this. This is my teaspoon of Vaseline. So I'm going to put it in this small container. You can use anything, but I prefer to use this so as I will close it and be using it subsequently. So I have put my Vaseline here. The next thing you do is that you squeeze your lemon into it. This is it. I'm putting my lemon. The lemon doesn't have a lot of liquids. So you squeeze your lemon into it. Squeeze the whole liquid into the Vaseline. You can see my liquid coming out, even though the liquid is not too much, but it is coming out. Because the liquid is not too much, I'm going to add this one also. If your lemon is filled with juice, no need of adding this other slice. I am using this other slice because my lemon is not bringing out enough juice. So I'm going to still use this. Alright, that should be fine. Now the mixing is very, very, very important. You mix together. Mix till a smooth paste is obtained. Mix it, please. Very important. Take your time and mix it very well. Let the juice mix with the petroleum jelly. It's coming out very well. It's not looking smooth like a body cream. This is how it looks. It now looks smooth like a body cream. You apply on the affected area. If it is on your sunburn, you apply. If it is on your rashes, whatever it is that you want to apply it on, it is on your black spot, you just apply it, okay? So this is how to do the lemon and the Vaseline combination. Now there are some things that I need you to note, please. This combination is not to be used every day. Okay, do not use this combination every day because of the oily nature of petroleum jelly. Do not use this combination every day. Use it twice in a week. Okay. Secondly, do not use this combination during the day because lemon is photosensitive. That is, it doesn't work well with light. So do not use this combination when you're going out in the sun or something. Use this combination in the morning or at night. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes on your body or on your face. Then you wash it off with your face cleanser, okay? This is how to use the lemon and the Vaseline combination. It is very, very easy and very affordable to get, okay? This combination is capable of transforming your skin and just giving you a healthy and a supple skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much and have a fantastic time. Bye.